Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Let's fight for the right to repair. So, there shouldn't be a part 5 of the Xbox One model 1540, but surprise! Now, you see a bunch of components here. Yes, this is even more tiny than it looks. You see? All of these. Now, I thought I know what I'm doing, but it was brought to my attention that other people doing same diagnostics in a different way that I'm doing. Now, the reason to that was this actually. This is a meter M3650 from a company called Metex. Yes. Now, this meter is from 90s. I have it like since I remember. Yes, like a lot of years, and it was used a lot of times. Like all the repairs I was doing, which means I was using this one, and it's still good till date. But the only problem is that this is not working as other meters. Yes, this is working in its own way, you can call it. Now, I was testing what's called MOSFETs, yes, or FETs, or MOSFETs, in the way that I've learned, like way back, yes, from YouTube channel called Decoder. Now, before I wasn't doing the micro electronic repairs, so I was learning about 2 years ago. Now, when I've seen the guy, with his probes in a certain way, I took it for granted that that's the procedure, he's doing it, it's fine and everything. But it turns out that when I was testing it on my side, using the same technique, faulty things I couldn't recognize, because this technique is good for some of these meters, not for all of them, yes? So, I don't know which ones are good, which ones are bad, but I've swapped, and now it's even set onto the 200k ohms instead of using the diode mode for them. And plus I'm using a technique to measure power rail, yes, in a different way, because I know that the procedure actually it's a bit different to what I knew. So actually I'm happy to say that Xbox, thanks to Stevie B, of the customer, yes, it's back and working again. I managed to go through all my Xbox Ones, and I found 2 actually working one. I need to only try to merge some Blu-rays with them. If I don't, then I won't, but I will try to put some Blu-rays, and then that would mean I will have 2 good Xbox Ones. What else? Meanwhile, I've tested my non-working Xbox One S, and it turns out that it's working. So I didn't record it because, like when I turn it on, I seen, that it's working. I just put everything back together. So I gave this customer an option. This, you can see now, maybe like this, yes. Or this. So customer has 2 choices, yes. Customer has these as additional choosing. So customer has a choice of Xbox One X, customer has a choice of Xbox One S, yes, both have Blu-ray. This has 1 terabyte, I'm not sure how many gigabytes I've put to this one, or it was original. Now the next thing is that I fixed his one, so he got his original Xbox One, yes, model 1540 fixed. So this customer can pick and match, which is great. I've changed the procedure, so I've learned something. I've spent a lot of time during the weekend on only the diagnosis, so it's fine. Now I need to put my Xbox Ones here a mess, over there a mess, so I need to put everything now back together, and I need to only there's other type of issues which I don't know of. I will be trying to recognize these. I've got at least I've got 4 main boards of Xbox One which I need to go through. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 4 at least, if I haven't put something somewhere as well, or maybe under the bed is more, at boys' room. So that's the thing. Now these faults are different, so I couldn't fix it with this technique. We've got more of Xbox One S as well, so now I will be using this technique to to go through other Xboxes I've got over there. Oh guys, it was a good weekend, but as I said, there shouldn't be part 5, but because I've leveled up, then I can do more better repairs for clients, and that's a good thing that we're learning, yes, because if I wouldn't learn it, I would do it using my old ways. If this wouldn't be pointed to my attention, that I'm doing things wrong, how could I improve? Yes, so you see, making mistakes is sometimes good as well. So it's worth to do mistakes, and when you learn from them, yes. And that's what I did, and now I can go through this pile of those small components, check which ones will be. I've got a capacitance meters, those who watch knows, so I will be checking all the capacitors if I didn't overheat them, but I've got still short even though I remove all those components. So I need to learn how to check things I thought I know how I need to check. Because as you see, this board don't have these 2 MOSFETs and the controller for them, yes, at the top. Small 1, 2, 3, yes. Now this board don't have these and this, so that's 6 here and 3, 9. What else I removed? I removed some capacitors, I see here. So I removed quite a few tiny capacitors here. You might not see them, but I removed those as well, 4, yes, and I still have a short. So now, yes, now the question is what's causing that short. But now if I'll use the new technique, yes, I can say that I don't know if that will be the case, because I haven't checked that board after learning that technique, yes. So if I'll see that there is no short, I will be trying to find components, solder them on this board and make a video of it, yes, so that you will have a lesson. If I will have another repair by using that technique of checking those voltage rails here, I will record a video as well, so that you can have a value of it if you don't know this technique yet. But apart from that, I'm happy that I've recorded this 5th part, yes, and yes, we spent like 10 minutes, but at least it was worth spending this weekend to learn it, and And you know, learning is a good process, so hopefully I can learn more, I can fix more of those boards, and those which are faulty to the way that it's not worth to fix it, I could use for spare parts. That's not a problem as well. So guys, a positive outcome. Customer is happy. We've spoken, he will come on Wednesday, so in 2 days time now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's say less than 3 days. He will come, and then, yes, and then hopefully I can fix more stuff. But I've got one spare, one S and one X. So if I've got any customer who's needing a quicker repair, I can use these ones as a spare device, or swap with a customer. Yes, that's a good thing to have them. If no, my kids can play. That's not a problem. Wide choice, wide variety, you know. But anyways, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.